Okwatwa kwa Dr. Charles Ragu nukwijaho bwanyuma yo kutabarizibwa omukakiko ka Nakarema aka State House aka Anti-Corruption Unit ahabwo kutekatekwaho okubuzabuza sente za government. Okwatwa kwa Dr. Ragu kwaba kwebembirwemu arikukurra okucondoza a polisi ya Mbarara kandi baguma bamutegerize omu makaji.
Yes, I've been in discussion with the DPC and the OCCID and I'm going to report. But you know, I'm a law-abiding, a good citizen, patriotic, very hard-working, but we shall see what people want.
Dr. Ragu yagambaho n'abanyamahurire atakarugiro mu makage ngo bamukomereho amatugembuzi okumuri Sengwe.
We have dealt with the encroachers, land grabbers and so many people, so they could be the ones behind all this.
Dr. Ragu naijukwa omumakuru ga TV West arikubinga abantu abarukurisa omufamu za gavumenti hamwe nabo abayegabiremu amataka abarukwesherekerera omu izina rya mukuru w'ihanga.
Wameba kweta Dr. Ragu Charles, Executive Director wa NABRIC. Mwina mshango yo kubulanga sente za government ziriyo billion kandi ikitongole cyabwe nakora nga government niyo muhababira umushango.
Polisi ya mukwasa abarukurra obushomankuzi omu State House Kampala ahemanjezi zatabarizibwe.
Let this one move behind. Let me sit in the middle.
Ndi Michael Tumwachire abwa TV West agachenchwire.